Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up for RadioEarn and start making money right away. It's super simple, completely free, and takes just a few minutes to set up, so make sure you watch till the end. First of all, open any web browser and search for RadioEarn. Click on the first result that says radioearn.com, and that will take you straight to the website. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner. You'll see two options, sign up and login. If you already have an account, you can click login, but since we're creating a new account, go ahead and click sign up. Now you'll be taken to the registration page, where you need to fill in some basic details. First, enter a username, then type in your first and last name. After that, enter your email address, and then create a strong password. You'll need to type your password again to confirm it. Once all the details are filled in, scroll down and click on the register button. After you do that, you'll see a message saying, "Thank you for registering," which means your account has been successfully created. Now click on the login button, enter your username and password, and click login. And there you go. You're now inside the RadioEarn dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, the first thing you'll see is an analytics graph showing your earnings over the last few days. Below that, there are different sections displaying your current listeners, account warnings, points balance, and your USD balance. These points are what you'll be earning, and they can later be exchanged for real money. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with different options. There's an account section where you can access your dashboard, profile, earnings summary, payout options, and referral program. Then, there's an earn points section, which is where you actually start making money. Now let's talk about how to start earning. The process is really simple. First, make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're inside, click on Start Earning. This will open up a radio stream, and all you have to do is leave it playing in the background. That's it. Every 15 minutes, you'll earn points just for having the radio running. These points will automatically be converted to USD at the beginning of the next month. Once your balance reaches the minimum payout amount, you can withdraw your money through a bank transfer, Amazon gift cards, or even Bitcoin. And that's literally all you need to do. Just sign up, start the radio, and let it run in the background while you go about your day. It's one of the easiest ways to make some passive income online with almost zero effort. Now, if you want to make serious money online, I found a better side hustle that even a complete beginner can start right away. And it's very profitable. 99% of people have never even heard of it, so now is the perfect time to start. Click the link in the description to learn more.